Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can play spell chess on chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, spell chess is a new variant of chess which is accessible on chess.com, which you can play just to have fun pretty much. Now, the way that you can play this is you go into the play button here and you go into 4-player invariants, and you need to select the variant which you want to use. As you can see, you have 4-player chess, you have doubles, you have chess with checkers, duck chess, and you can select whichever one you want. But as you can see, spell chess is right here, and all you have to do is click on spell chess right here, and then you can select play and then play versus a random person. You can also search a person you want to play with, and you can select the time limit if you want to, and you can customize it and analyze it however you want. But pretty much that's all you need to do. Just click play, find somebody to play with, and then you'll be good to go, and your game of spell chess will be underway. And it is as easy as that. You can use that method to play any variant that you want. As you can see here, you can look at any of these variants to play them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.